Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika I share my video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share. No one me notification bell no. Send me the video. Bia betu wa onsa beka. Nwesu ase be pepper rice. Me yewe na me taste it. It tastes really nice. Yes, that's it. On the oil begu sauce by si jasum. Edo pena do chop onion egumu. Watch mo kakra. We are nowadays salted beef and so the account and also Achomo. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. When you are going to use soon, walk over the sea in Cheng. We are now beef ni onion nachi nowadays chop pepper, we a hot one with your goom. And I will see a green one. Chop ginger, chop tomatoes. One mixing it together, no just to soak a crack. And watch kakra wie no. Now there was salt, aka ho, garlic powder, curry powder, season cube. Watch mo kakra. Ansa na wo de wo smoke mackerel den aka ho. Aha no aye ready now de rice na ahohoro ho sinche no wahwie gu mu. One mixing na together. Uwie no just so amemu ache kakra. Ansa na di nso eden egu mu. Woche mu kakra pe na wo di nso eden egu mu. Enso nse nyese wo isu mebre. Wakata so na waje si customer beben but time bia wo ho a no wanum se de ase de enhye na eja no so wallow no so. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Ano akakra na aye ready. Me pama just steady kan I share my video. Me ma rave subscribe. Na wa share. Na wa like it. No me notification bell no. Say them the video bia beto a won side den. Ebeka. Aha no aye ready na wa serve. Me ye na me taste ye no. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our pepper rice recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.